you gonna do, fiat dollar? Or CryptoBullGod and his crypto maniacs and the entire cryptocurrency market run wild on you?
Welcome in. I am the CryptoBullGod, and this is a quick take on Bitcoin. You can find me on Twitter, YouTube, Tradingview, and Instagram at CryptoBullGod. Just a quick disclosure that none of what I'm sharing is financial advice. I'm doing all of this to simply educate and to help others. So let's get into it. This is the view on Bitcoin that I want to focus on today. This is a weekly view. This, ladies and gentlemen, is an ascending triangle. If you don't know the historical significance behind triangular formations in Bitcoin, check out my last video. I pointed historically to these formations breaking up in the most likely direction historically for Bitcoin. An ascending triangle is a bullish formation. While there are no guarantees within charting, we can use this formation to tell us what is most likely. And the most likely direction for Bitcoin is up. So let's take a look at what this formation is telling us. We got a low and a higher low. And then we have this ceiling that we keep hitting around 65 to 66,000. If you follow me on this channel, you know the more we interact with an area of resistance like this, a ceiling, it's like price is like a hammer and it's chipping away at the ceiling. So the next time we come up to this 65 to 66,000 area, I would expect it to be very weak and for us to break through shortly thereafter. So I'm showing the direction that I'm anticipating within this formation. Ladies and gentlemen, there's lots of clickbait out there, okay? I'm trying to simplify your lives and to focus on the charts that are most important. So if you appreciate the comment, like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. So let's also, on this weekly view, let's take a look at a few price indicators. This is stochastic RSI. What you want to look for in a stochastic RSI indicator is you want to look for a cross, which we have. The blue is above the orange line. And you also want to see us get above 20. You can see we're above 20 now. If you go back in periods, and while it's no guarantee, if you look at the crosses that have occurred for Bitcoin when we've gotten above 20 on a weekly view for Bitcoin, on this stochastic RSI, it has historically led to large movements up. Sometimes they've been very large movements up. The next indicator I want to look at, RSI. This is a beautiful one. This is what's known as a hidden bullish divergence on the RSI. As price has continued moving up, the RSI has made lower lows and gone down. This historically has a more higher likelihood of leading to price appreciation, meaning price going up in value. So keep an eye on this hidden bullish divergence. The last indicator on the weekly view that I want to take a look at with you is the MACD. As you can see here, the MACD is starting to flatten out right here, and we look like we might want to start to curl up. Now, if you go back in time and look at the history of Bitcoin, you can see we got a MACD cross right in here. And we had mass appreciation in price, and the same thing happened back in this area here, and we had a mass appreciation in price. So there are three price indicators on the weekly giving us breadcrumbs towards potential price appreciation. And we also have this formation, what's known as an ascending triangle. All the saltiness that has been occurring in the market has really been taking place from my view, from my lens, and others I respect within the community during what's called consolidation within this formation. So keep an eye on this ascending triangle. Don't get caught up in all the emotion and clickbait out there. If you appreciated the new format of this type of video, please drop a comment. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, spread awareness and carry the education forward.